So same kind. The numbers are just different. 13, 55, 39, 67. The numbers are going to be different here. Just check. It should not be repeated in the same row or in the same column. It should not be repeated. First, eliminate what all are possible. So the numbers are 13, 39, 67 and 55. So yes. So first, what can I say? 13 is not possible and 67 is not possible, right? So these two are not possible, definitely, 13 and 67, because they are appearing in the same row and in the same column. Now only two numbers are left over, which is 39 and 55. Yes, do you think 39 can come here? Definitely no, 39 is here itself, so 39 cannot come here. So what is the only possibility for 39? Only this position. So what's the answer? It is 39. Yes, Nikita and Omkar, correct. So even without solving like the previous, I can just eliminate it by using this side terms itself. 39 is here, so not possible here. So only possibility is 39. So what's the answer? C. C. Yes, perfect. Answer is C. So I hope all of you understood this kind of questions, how they will be and how you can solve it. So let's move forward then. We'll see a few more models. Correct. 39 is correct. The next model that they has focused is number series. So here is a series and we need to find out what is the next number in the particular series. So they gave us the series. So the series is like this: 3, 5, 8, 5, 8, 9, 7, 11, 10 and 9. So the next one we are supposed to identify. The next one. So you just have a look, maybe if you can find out 3, 5, 8. The numbers are not having same increases or decreases. They are just randomly written, it seems like. But there will be some logic. We need to figure out that logic between these numbers. Actually, if you go in the straight order, it will not give you anything. +2, +3, and again -3, and again +3, and then +1, and then -2, and here it is something like +4, and here it is -1, then again -1. So these are not actually completely a logic at all. This is not complete logic. So actually what happens here is, in Accenture, this is a little more. They are going to group the numbers. Instead of taking the numbers continuously, generally they will connect the numbers like first number, second, third, fourth. But here what happened, they group the numbers maximum. They group two numbers as a pair, or 3 numbers as a pair, or sometimes 4 numbers can also be paired. This kind of questions are actually seen a little more in this specific company. So they are going to group the numbers actually. I'll tell you one model. Here the grouping happened like 3, 3. See, 3, 5 and 8. First 3 take as a pair. And next 3, 5, 8 and 9. This is one pair. 7, 11 and 10. This is one pair. Next 9 question mark. So look, observe them now. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. See, these are connected. See here also 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. See here also 8 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Like this. So now you can easily identify what is the next one. They're asking after 9. So how much should come? 11 plus 3 should be there. So 11 plus 3 is what? 14. 14 is the next one. 14. Option D. Option D. So we are supposed to identify the next one. 14. Yes, Arun. Correct. So they are going to group the numbers here. 14 Sumit. Once cross-check. So they are going to group the numbers. Sometimes they will group as 2 or 3. So if you observe here, actually 8, 9, 10, this will give us the connection. So I took 3, 3 as a pair. 3, 3 as a pair and then I checked. So what's the number that comes next? It is 14. 14. Yes, correct. 14. So 2 can be there or 3 can be there. So if you did not get straight order, then just go with this. 2 pairs or 3 pairs. This is one kind of model which is seen. Now I think you can try this one. Most repeated kind of models like grouping, instead of directly taking the first term to the second and all, they has take the grouping ones. Now this is one more here. First think, how can you group one, 3 terms or 4 terms or 2 terms? How can you group here? Look at them. 11, 1, 8, 5. Seems like 11 and 8 are close and 1 and 5 are close. Maybe alternative or 2, 2 as a group you can take. Alternative will have a pattern or 2, 2. You can take 2, 2 numbers as a group. So what do you think the answer might be? 11 and 1, 8 and 5, 5 and 9, 2 and 13, minus 1 and next. So you can easily identify now. Alternative. This is for alternative. Yes, 2 group. This is for alternative here. 8, 11 and 8. What's the logic between 11 and 8? 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. See, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So that's correct. So actually there is no necessary for you to figure out this one. You just need to focus upon this because you want this question mark, right? So you can just focus upon this number because this is what we need. So go ahead with this. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. So what is the answer? 17. It's plus 17 only, not minus 17. Minus 17. It's plus 17 only. What do you think the answer will be if I ask you that next one? That next one. If I ask you this one, what do you think the answer will be? If I ask that next one? How much is the answer? Is it plus 2, minus 2 or plus 4, minus 4? If I ask you that next one, minus 1, minus 3 is the logic. From minus 1, I need to subtract 3. From minus 1, 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1, minus 3. So how much is the answer? Minus 4. From minus 1, I need to subtract 3. Yes, from minus 1, I need to subtract 3. No, 21 is for this. But I'm just asking you that next one. So this should be the answer. Minus 4. Minus 4, correct. Minus 4 will be the answer at that time. Okay, 2, 2 you are supposed to pay. So here it comes minus 4. Yes, perfect. Minus 4. Now here is a question from coding and decoding. In abstract reasoning, these are the topics focused. You are not going to have quants topics in Accenture now. Critical reasoning or abstract reasoning, completely reasoning topics are there. In abstract, you will see coding, decoding, letter series, number series, like I already told you the topics names before. Now, a coding and decoding question. Paris is coded like 71991. Now they are asking how moist is coded as. Moist will be coded as. For this kind of coding and decoding questions, always use alphabets and their numbers. If you can use alphabets and their numbers, it will be easy for you to solve this kind of problems. Alphabets and numbering means as per the alphabetical order, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. If you do not know, I will suggest you, please remember these alphabets and their numbers. To solve the problems like coding and decoding, letter series or analogies which are with the alphabets, these numbers will help you a lot. See, now also I'll use that numbers. P is actually 16, A is 1, R is 18, I is generally 9. I number is 9 and S number is 19. The number of S is 19. The normal numbering. This is the normal numbering. So how the logic might be? What might be the logic? See, 16 is written as 7. So what might happen? 16 is written as 7 means I can say 1 plus 6 is 7. Maybe they just added this to one digit. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1, if it's a single digit, it is just taken. 18. R is actually 18. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So they again added. If it's a 2-digit number, they added it. If it's a single digit number, they just wrote like that. Yeah, correct. Yes, correct. 9 is also a single digit number, so they just wrote. And 1 plus 9 is 10 actually. Again, they added 1. So they just added it until a single digit. A single digit should come. So that's 1. Now, similarly, let's find out for them. M, alphabetical order, M is 13, O is 15, I is 9, S is 19, and T is 20. So let's add them. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 should be the starting. So option B is wrong. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 should be the next one. And this is a single digit, so I'll just take single. And this is 10. Again, I need to add 1. And then 2 plus 0 is 2. So what is the answer? Option A. 4, 6, 9, 1, 2. Perfect. Yes, correct. Option A. 4, 6, 9, 1, 2. Most of the problems of coding and decoding can be easily solved by using these alphabets and their numbers, if you know them. So they added it until a single digit here. So what's the answer? 4, 6, 9, 1, 2. Option A. Correct. Yes. Kuldeep, Tejashvi, Arun. Yes, correct. Everyone is following, right? Are you guys able to understand all the problems that we are going to solve? The level is not so difficult, but you should have the basic idea about this all topics. Yes, and even the topics like first 2 problems we discussed, that kind of models are also a little more here. So we'll see a few more. Now the next one. This is called analogy. So how ants and colony is connected, first find that. And then we need to form for this. How are these two connected? Complete the comparison. So first find the connection between these two and then connect these two. Ant and colony. How is this connection? Actually, a group of ants is called as colony. A group of ants. This you should know a little bit meanings in English. So these are just little meanings you should know. So this is a group of colony is ants, and here group of crows is nothing but murder. This sounds like, yes, it is called as murder. Option A. Option A. So this is the group, the name of the group of the animals. It's the name of the group name. Okay, yeah, it's like murder. So it's option A here. It's a group name. Okay, so this is called analogy. They used to give you analogy. One thing, analogy can be given like this by using the meanings, or sometimes they can even give you analogy by using the numbers or letters also. But here it is the analogy by using the meaning. Okay, so this is one more from coding and decoding. So we have another question from coding and decoding. Every question we are solving is exactly the previous question appeared. Not even a single alphabet is also changed. Exactly the same previous year questions we are solving. So the code of this kind of questions all can be easily solved if you know that alphabets and their numbers. If you know alphabets and their numbers, then you can find out the logic easily here. What was the logic? Try to check it out. You try it in the meanwhile. So just give the alphabets and their numbers. It will help you a lot in solving out the problem here. So quick is 17, 21, 9, 3, 11, 2, 5, 1, 13, 19. And the same order I'm going to give you here. 13, 22, 5, 4, 7, 3, 1, 2. And this is 9 and 20. Anyone got the logics? What is the logic? What do you think the logic between them? Check in a straight order first. 17 to 13. 17 minus 4 is 13. 21 to 22. 21 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1. See again, 9 to 5 minus 4. 3 to 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1. So the logic is nothing but -4 plus 1. So they are just using -4 plus 1. So the logic between all of these alphabets which are going to form is -4 plus 1, -4 plus 1 in that order. Okay. So now I will apply the same here. -4 plus 1. So it should be the same. -4 plus 1, -4 plus 1. Correct. Yes. Yes, Archana. -4 plus 1, -4 plus 1, -4 plus 1. The logic should be like this. Now look at your options once. Don't see here. Don't you think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits of all the options is same? Look at the first 6 digits of all the options, it's same. So it's waste of my time if I identify this. Y, I, A, D, G, C, K. K is not same for the first one. Until here it is same. See, do not waste your time in identifying this one. Just go directly with the last 4. Just figure out the last 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. That means it is supposed to be K. Means option A is wrong. Okay, and next, 24 plus 1, 25, which is Y. Y means option B is also wrong. So E is 5. 5 minus 4, 1, which is A. So what is the answer? Option C. Option C. Do not waste your time in identifying the first 6. Because all the options are having same. Even the last alphabet is also same. T, T, T everywhere. Alphabet is also same. So if you find out for this 3, it's more enough for us to get the answer. Yes, isn't it? So always go like this. If you try to eliminate the options instead of wasting your time. So I just look at this middle 3. So it should be KYA. KYA. So what is the answer? Option C. Option C. So if you know alphabets and their numbering, that helps you to identify the answer fast instead of counting how many alphabets are missed and then to figure out. And always have a look at your options whenever you are solving coding and decoding. Always look at your options. Majority of the cases, we can eliminate the options like this. Fine. So option C. Hope everyone got the answer. So I'll move forward. Now, one more analogy based question here. B is 64. Then which is 4096? B is 64. So which is going to be 4096? We are supposed to find out for 4096. Oh, sorry. This question. B is 64. Then for 4096. Here also we are going to use alphabets and their numbering itself to get the answer. B actually, what is the number of B? It is 2. Generally it's 2. Right, it is 2. Now it is written as 64. 64. How can 2 and 64 be connected? Any guess? What power of 2 will give you 64? Isn't it nothing but 2 to the power of 6, 64? 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So alphabetical number power 6 is written here. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. Same order. Now I am supposed to find out which power is going to be 4096. 4096. Which power? No, I don't. It's not F, I think. It won't be 6. 6 power is not that much. See, yes. So how do we find out? Basically, this is 4, this is 5, this is 3, and this is 6, correct? So now we are supposed to find out which power is 4096. It is 4 power 6 mass. 6 power 6 is huge number. That will be around somewhere 40,000 it will be. It is 4 power 6. See, I will show you. 5 power anything will definitely not end with 6. It is 4096 means it is ending with 6. So 5 power 6 means that definitely not end with 6. Now check with 4. Even do not check 4 to the power of 16. 4 to the power of 6. Check like this. You know 4 squares, right? 4 square, 4 square, 4 square. 16 into 16 into 16. This is already 256. I think all of you know this one. 16 square. 16 into 16 is already 256. 256 into 16 approximately will give you 4,000 only. Approximately, see, 16 into 2 is only 32. 32, and here 2 more numbers will come. So 32, and here also carry over will also be there. It's approximately close to 4,000. Close to 4,000. Even if I do not do the entire calculation, I can say 16 into 256 is close to 4,000. So if you do the entire calculation, it will exactly give you 16 table. I hope everyone could have been known 16 table. So use it 9, 6, 16, 5, 80, 89, and then 40. See, 4096 exactly correct. So what is supposed to be here? It is D, 4 to the power of 6. 6 to the power of 6 is very huge. See, 36 into 36 into 36, no, it is. So that is very huge. That number is so huge. 36 into 36 is itself 1296. So even it will be more huge. So this is not the correct one. It's 4. 4 to the power of 6 is 4096. Yes, correct. 4 to the power of 6. So what's the answer? Option A. Option A, 4 to the power of 6. Okay. So just the number power is written. So that's why maybe a little bit of calculation is involved here to identify the power of the number. Okay. So let's move ahead then. Here is one from letter series. Before you saw some number series. Now this is from letter series. CITI. ZMX. Most letter series can also be solved by using alphabets and their numbers itself. If you know alphabets and their numberings, then solving this can be easy. Now we are supposed to find out what is the next one. CITF. So first give the alphabets and their numbers. You can easily get 3, 9, 29. So let me give like this: 26, 23. Actually, C can also be written. This is once 26 is done. Then A can also be 27. B will be 28. C can be 29 also. So number of C, I will try with 29 now because it is reduction here, right? That's why I'm just trying with 29. 21 minus 3 is 26. 26 minus 3 is 20. 23 minus 3 is 20. Here it is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So minus 3 should be there. That means it is 20, which is T. But yes, almost all of the options are having T. So what I'll do now, middle one I will not check. All the options are having U. So I'm not going to check this one. So I will check that next one, this one. So T is 20, 24. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4 is 28, which is nothing but B only. B is 28 only. So B can be even considered as 28 only. Okay. So it is 4. So 2 plus 4, it is 6 now. 6 means what? It is supposed to be F. It's supposed to be F. So what is the answer? Option D. Correct. Option D. This two are wrong. This two are wrong. So it is F. Option D. Okay, option D. Yes, perfect. I can see your answers. Yes, correct. Option D. So whenever you have the options, just don't waste your time in finding out these repeated options. These are same U in the middle and all. So don't find them. Find out which is different. So you can eliminate the option. So option D is the correct answer. So we'll check one more question. I hope everyone is following. So let's try one more here. So this is a visual reasoning one. By using the figures, we are supposed to identify. See here. Observe the inside circle. Next case, it came here. Just the next position, if you can think. Next case, this left here and came here. Here, it's just next position. 0 is added. Here, 1 skipped. 0 skipped. It just came to the next one. Here, 1 skipped. Now look at this one. From here, directly here. This 2 are skipped. 2 are skipped. Now from here to here, 3 are skipped. See? Now from here to here. Actually, it is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 are skipped. Is counted like this. 4 are skipped. Now again from here to here, how many? It was actually here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are skipped. Now from here directly to here. So how many are skipped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are skipped. Now next, how many are supposed to be skipped? How many? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are supposed to be skipped for the next one. 7 positions are supposed to be skipped. Here nothing is skipped. It just came to the next. Here 1 is skipped. Here 2 positions are. Here 3 positions. Here 4 positions. Here 5 positions. Here 6 and here 7 positions should be skipped. That means where the circle should come. If you are going to skip the 7 positions you should skip, and in the next one you are supposed to place. Right now it is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I skip, in the next one if I place, it is going to come exactly in the same position. Isn't it? If I skip 7 and if I place it, it exactly comes in the same position. So this option is wrong. In these 2 options it should be. It exactly should come in the same position. Yes. So now I eliminated by using this. Now I need to look at the outside also, because we have 2 circles and each and every option, the positions is different. So I think we could have looked the outside circle first. Maybe by that we could have got. But yes, we will check. Outside now we will check. Inside we have checked. These 2 options, any one should be there. Now let's check outside. So first it is here. Right now it is here. Means 1 skipped. 1 position skipped. Next, 2 positions skipped from here to here. And next from here to here. Means what happened? 3 positions are skipped. Next from here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 positions are skipped. Here it starts with 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position, next 5 positions, and then 6 positions, 7 positions. Next, what should be happening? 8 positions should be skipped. 8 positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be skipped, and here it should come. 8 positions should be skipped, and here it should come. Means what is the answer? 5th one. Perfect, Arun. Correct. 5th one should be the answer. For the inside figure, it's like 0 positions, 1 position skipped, 2 positions skipped. Like this, it has rotated. Outside figure, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions in this manner. So what is the answer? It is the option 5th one. Yes. I hope all of you understood. This completely require, general thinking. These are visual reasoning kinds of topics which completely require thinking. You just need to little bit observe how the movement is there or how the angle will be there. It's hard. Okay, maybe I think not so much. Maybe if you practice a little, but yes, this is one kind of the model. So these are the kind of questions that appeared in abstract reasoning before in Accenture, and we have solved exactly the previous questions. And these are the topics they has focused: visual reasoning, letter series, analogy, coding and decoding. And we have seen some examples also, number series. And this also actually falls under figure kind of questions only, visual reasoning, or completely like puzzle kind of questions also, you can say. So got the idea how the paper will be there for abstract reasoning, and these are the majoritarily focused topics. So I hope you understood all we has discussed in this session, and this give you the idea about abstract reasoning. So if you want to prepare for more, or if you are looking for Accenture preparation, you can join our master batch. So it is going to start from tomorrow itself. Same kind of trainings will be there. You will be having 2 hours of sessions, and all the topics will be discussed, like abstract, critical reasoning, English, verbal, and everything, even with technical also, all will be discussed. So is it clear, everyone? So we'll wind it up then. Thank you all.